Welcome to Monetizing Your Passion, turning what you love into an online business. In this video, we will focus on how you can take your passion and turn it into a profitable online business. With the rise of e-commerce and social media, it has never been easier to make a living doing what you love. The first step towards monetizing your passion is identifying what you truly love. This could be anything, from cooking to photography to fitness. Once you have discovered your passion, it's time to evaluate the market demand for it. Conducting market research can help you identify potential customers and determine if there is a need or a gap in the market that your product or service can fulfill. Building a strong brand is crucial for any online business. It helps you create a unique identity and stand out from your competitors. Your brand should reflect your values, your personality, and your passion. It includes your logo, website design, and social media presence. Creating valuable content is the key to attracting and retaining customers. You can share your knowledge and expertise through blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. Your content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. Now that you have established your brand and created valuable content, it's time to monetize your passion. Depending on your niche and target audience, there are various ways to generate revenue. You could offer digital or physical products, provide a service, sell courses or ebooks, or monetize your social media following through sponsored content or affiliate marketing. Monetizing your passion requires hard work, dedication, and patience. But it can also be one of the most fulfilling and rewarding experiences. Remember to stay true to your passion and provide value to your customers. With the right strategy and mindset, you can turn what you love into a successful online business.